Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update, brought to you by the top-rated precious metals company Goldco. I'm your host Ron, and if you've been following the show, you know we've been tracking the major moves in the precious metals markets. Well, buckle up, because things just got a whole lot more interesting. Gold vaulted past $4,000 an ounce. Now let me say that again, $4,000. This is a level most analysts thought we wouldn't see for years. But thanks to a perfect storm of economic uncertainty and central bank action, we're already here. So let's break down what exactly is going on and what it means to you. The recent rally is being driven by two big themes: fear and opportunity. So first up, the Fed. Markets are now expecting a series of rate cuts, possibly starting before the end of the year. Why? Because inflation has cooled. Unemployment is creeping up and growth looks shaky at best. When interest rates drop, so do yields on cash and bonds. And that typically sends buyers hunting for safer, more resilient assets. And gold? Well, gold is the original safe haven. And that brings us to the second theme: geopolitical stress. Ongoing instability in parts of Asia and the Middle East, plus political volatility here at home, is shaking confidence around the globe. As uncertainty grows, more people are turning to physical assets, ones that don't rely on government promises or Wall Street forecasts. And the result? A surge in demand that's driving gold prices higher fast. Okay, now let's talk about silver. Now, while gold's taking the spotlight, silver is quietly exploding as well, and thanks to a mix of retail demand and industrial use. From EVs to solar panels, silver is critical to the technologies of the future. When gold runs, silver usually follows and often outpaces. And if you're watching this thinking, is it too late to get in? Well, history says probably not. In fact, many analysts see this as just the beginning of a larger, long-term trend. This seems to be more than just a price spike. It could be a signal. I mean, for decades, gold and silver have quietly done their job, preserving wealth through inflation, economic downturns, and political chaos. But every once in a while, the world remembers why these metals matter. And when it does, prices move fast. And we're seeing that moment right now. Buyers around the globe, hedge funds, pension funds, central banks, are making major allocations into gold and silver, and retail is starting to wake up too. Because when the dollar weakens, when the Fed pivots, when trust erodes, the money moves to gold. So here's the bottom line. We're potentially entering a period where uncertainty is the only certainty. If gold can break $4,000 this quickly, imagine where it could go as rate cuts begin, inflation creeps back, or global tensions flare up again. Gold and silver have outlasted empires, currencies, and market cycles for thousands of years. They don't just survive chaos, they thrive in it. So if you're looking to help protect your retirement, hedge against inflation, or just diversify your portfolio, now's the time to take a serious look at precious metals. And that's where Goldco comes in. With over $3 billion in precious metals placed and more than 7,600 five-star reviews, Goldco is one of the most trusted names in the business. They work directly with world mints to ensure the security and authenticity of your gold and silver. And right now, Goldco is offering a free gold and silver kit delivered straight to your door. Just click the link down below in the description to get yours and learn how gold and silver could fit into your financial future. Well, that's it for today's market update. And if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment down below. But I have to ask, what do you think of gold smashing through $4,000? Too fast or just getting started? And remember, whether you're planning for retirement, hedging against inflation, or just thinking long-term, gold and silver have stood the test of time. Until next time, I'm Ron. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep shining.